Hi everyone, welcome to this Advanced Steel tutorial on how to rotate a piece of grating in Advanced Steel. First of all, I'm going to draw a piece of grating on this structural model. I'm going to position my UCS on the beam and I'm going to use the variable grating tool. So I'm going to draw a piece of grating from the top of this beam, so rectangular based, to here, and that will add in the grating. I'm going to leave that as is, but you will notice the hatch pattern is running in this direction, and you will see very subtly there is a little symbol in the middle of the grating pattern. If I try to rotate the grating as is, it will keep the same pattern in the same direction. But if I want to use and change the pattern direction, if I change this to wireframe, you will see that when I click the little symbol, I get a little grip point here and a grip point here. And you can see there's a little span symbol in the middle. And if I drag that little span end symbol, so I just highlight over and left click it, you'll see that I can now rotate that symbol. And if I rotate it to the midpoint of the grating here, you will see that the pattern of the grating has rotated around. And if I try that again, select it, select the grating endpoint, and take it to the endpoint here, you will see I now get the grating pattern rotating and aligning with the points that I've picked. So if you try to rotate a grating manually using the rotate tool, it will rotate the complete pattern. If you change it to wireframe, select the little symbol, use the endpoint of the span symbol, change it to a different point, so I can, let's say, put it to here. You'll see that will change the pattern. So really a little easy trick. Change it to wireframe. You can do it in this view, but it's just sometimes a little bit trickier to find that little point. Let's do it to that point, and you'll see that will rotate the hatch pattern on the grating. So join me again soon for another Advanced Steel tutorial.